In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix access denied to microphone in Soundtrap. If you're seeing an access denied message in Soundtrap, the most common cause is that your browser isn't allowing the site to use your microphone. The good news is you can fix this quickly right inside Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I'll walk you through the most important method first, and then show you a direct settings route in case you prefer that. Start by opening Soundtrap in your browser. Look at the top of your screen in the address bar and click the small lock icon that appears to the left of the website address. This opens a quick permissions menu for the current site. Find the entry labeled Microphone. If it's set to block, switch it to Allow. In some cases, you may need to click Site Settings in that menu to see all the permissions in a new tab. Once you've set Microphone to Allow, the browser will typically ask you to reload the page so the change takes effect. Click Reload. This refresh is essential because Soundtrap can't access the microphone until the new permission is applied. If you prefer adjusting this from the full settings page, there's a direct route that takes you straight to your microphone permissions. In a new tab, type or paste Chrome settings/content microphone into the address bar and press enter. This opens your browser's microphone control center where you can manage which sites are allowed to use your mic. On this page, look for the section that lists sites under allowed. Make sure Soundtrap appears there. If you see Soundtrap under blocked, remove it from blocked so the site can request access again, and then return to the Soundtrap tab and reload the page. This ensures Soundtrap can use your microphone the next time it needs it. A quick tip as you do this: the lock icon method is perfect when you're already on the site and need a fast fix, while the settings page is great for a broader view of what's allowed or blocked across all sites. After changing permissions, always reload the Soundtrap page so the browser picks up the new setting. That's all you need to resolve the access denied issue in Chrome or Edge for Soundtrap. By allowing the microphone at the site level and reloading the page, you're giving Soundtrap the access it needs to record audio reliably. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and adjust the permission at any time.